Hello friends, today's question answer video is on what are leaf miners and how to organically control or eliminate these leaf miners infesting your plants. Coming up. Welcome back. If you're a hobby gardener or interested in growing plants, consider subscribing to this channel. Also turn on the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any updates. So what are leaf miners? Leaf miners are very tiny larvae of variety of insects like flies, moths and beetles. Leaf miners do not actually cause major injury to the infested plant, but rather give an unattractive and a zigzag type of leaf-mined look to the plant. The leaf miner larvae live inside the leaves, feeding on the soft inner plant tissue found between the upper and lower sides of the leaf. This mining pattern of zigzag lines on the leaves are produced as they eat along the infested leaves. These can be seen in any plants in your garden, particularly common if you're growing tomatoes and other vegetables. Although leaf miners rarely kill or seriously injure a plant, it will give an unpleasant appearance and hence their control or elimination is very important. Also, they can be destructive to young plants and seedlings if infested. If plant is too much infested, it can end up in leaf drying and plant drying. Also, if it is an edible plant, it can be a great frustration to the home gardener who is looking forward to enjoying these vegetables of his labors. Well, now let's look at leaf miner control. The first and the best solution is the neem oil. Now, how to use neem oil for leaf miners? Spraying neem oil can disrupt the life cycle of these insects because coating with neem oil can prevent them from feeding on the leaves and hence they cannot grow and fly, resulting in their demise. Spraying to be done in the evening hours, and also do a patch test on a leaf before using neem oil because higher concentrations can burn the plant foliage. Also, do not use other chemical sprays simultaneously if you are using neem oil. So how much neem oil to mix in water? You can mix about 5 to 10 ml max in 1 liter of water. You can add few drops of liquid soap like dishwash liquid for the surfactant effect and better application and coating. You can repeat this after 3 days and then every week till the infestation is eliminated. So there we have it folks, that was a short video on leaf miner and its control with neem oil. If you like the video, please click a thumbs up and also share the video and comment something below the video. Consider subscribing to the channel if you're new to the channel. Happy gardening!